Hello ladies and gentlemen, here is a video about fixing your electric toilet. This one, which often happens, it would work with the override button here, but would not work when you flush the toilet. And here is the problem, and this is very common. A screw in each side, take the top off. Here, I've already undone this for speed, but here, this little pipe goes in there. And the problem is, after a year or two or three or four, a little bit of toilet paper gets stuck right in the end. And so when you flush the toilet, this device, which operates the motor, does not get a signal to say, please turn the motor on. Undo this clip, pull it out. Use something very small, a hairpin, a little drill, a rivet head, something, just to clean it out, and it will all be working again. Push it back in, put it back together, put the screws in, and it will be working and will probably save you £100 or $130 depending on where you live. There we are, very simple cure. Just a little bit of toilet paper stuck in there. 5 minutes, it only takes 5 minutes to fix it. Okay, I hope that helped you. Bye for now.